When you think about climate change, what do you see? Droughts? Flooding? Wildfires? Melting ice sheets? It can be easy to think that climate change is something that happens outside of ourselves, that only happens to the planet, to nature. But the reality is that left unchecked, climate change is expected to have dire consequences on our own lives, the lives of our children, and our children's children. From the increased likelihood of infectious disease, to reduced life expectancy linked to air pollution, to rising food prices due to lower crop yields, just to name a few. And that is why over 180 nations have agreed to keep global temperatures from rising less than 2 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels, the main goal of the Paris Agreement. Achieving this will require significant reductions in carbon emissions, and this transition to a low carbon economy will affect every country and every business across the world. In any case, there will be winners and there will be losers. While the Paris Agreement targets below 2 degrees, current commitments by the world's governments put that trajectory at 3 degrees, and a typical portfolio of global stocks is even warmer.
But some companies are already doing better than others by ensuring that the greenhouse gas emissions they produce put them on a temperature path that is below 2 degrees. We call these companies climate pledgers. Given the increasing pressure from governments, regulators, and consumers to fight climate change, climate pledgers are already today well positioned in the face of climate risks, giving them an edge against their competitors. Why? Because polluting will come at a cost through new carbon taxes and policies. Simply said, emitting CO2 will have a negative impact on a company's bottom line. While climate change poses risks to some companies, the climate transition offers many opportunities that, by some estimate, could deliver at least $26 trillion of economic benefit in the next 10 years. Businesses that provide innovative solutions for a low-carbon world, for instance in the area of smart mobility or renewable energy, stand to benefit from strong growth in the demand for their products and services. We call these companies green champions, and they are essential to global efforts in combating climate change.
So the question is, how should you invest in a low-carbon world? At J. Safra Sarasin, we believe that by combining climate pledgers and green champions, investors not only reduce risks related to climate change, but just as importantly, they can access the investment return potential that the fight against climate change represents.